everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple switch with very simple objects. The things you need to make a switch is a battery, some wires, a bulb, drawing pin, and a safety pin. And you need a base, that's the cardboard. To make this, first you need to understand the two terminals of the bulb. One is here and one is here. So the same thing you do, you take two wires. One wire you connect in the upper terminal and the other you connect in the lower terminal. After that, one of the wire you connect in the one side of the battery, either positive or negative. I have connected in the positive. Then the other end you connect it to the one of the drawing pin. The part of the battery that you didn't connect with the wire that you connected with the bulb, that part you connect the wire to the another drawing pin. Make sure that the two drawing pins, the distance should be small so that the safety pin will fit, and when you connect the safety pin, the bulb must glow. Now I'll tell you some reasons why the bulb doesn't glow sometimes when we do. The first reason is that sometimes the bulb you have used might be fused. Second reason is either wherever you connected the wires, maybe that is not purely connected, or the electricity might not be correctly flowing through the objects like these, or maybe your battery might not containing enough charge, maybe it's old. So this is a very easy method to make a beautiful switch. Now I have a bigger bulb. I got it from an old torch. If you don't have a bigger bulb, then you can make it glow more brightly. If you have any old torch, or if any of your torch is broken, you can take the upper portion of the torch that reflects the light. Yes, this is a small torch upper portion. I have took it. You can just insert it like this, and now when you glow the bulb, it will glow more brightly. In this way you can make the switch and insert it in a cylindrical object and connect this in the upper portion of it, and you can make your own switch, and also it will act like a torch and also like a bulb. So hope you liked it. Thank you.